So, hey, what's up everyone? This is your Queen Saliste, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo and may mga dumating na parcel. Kaya i-unbox natin guys. So, this is all from Ayan, this is all from Korea guys. Hindi pa ako nakaayos. Mamaya na lang. Kasi may lakad ako mamayang hapon. And time check, hapon naman na. Pero ay, inaatok talaga ako. But anyway, is mag-unboxing tayo guys ng mga padala. So, ayan. Si Aramex at saka si DHL ay sila yung nag-deliver nito. Ayan, ito DHL siya. Tapos ito, binuksan ko na yung box nito. Pero Aramex yung box. Nasira ka na kasi. So, galing pa to ng Korea guys. South Korea. Pareho siyang South Korea. And buksan na natin. Buksan muna natin tong nakabox guys. Kung anong laman nito, hindi ko na matandaan kung ano yung mga sinesend. Kailangan ko pang hanapin kung sino yung nag-send nito, ano ang kailangan gawin, may deliverables ba, ganyan. Meron kasing mga brands na alam ko kung saan galing directly kasi sila yung magpapadala, may nakalagay. Pero yung mga ganito, pag mga Korean products guys, ano yan, either from Yes Style, or Basal, or Alice siya. Yanan. So, ayan. Inopen na natin, guys. So, balot na balot siya kasi syempre galing pa to ng Korea. Kaya kailangan safe na safe. So, hindi ko alam kung ano to. In fairness, hindi na uso sa kanila yung ano. Okay. This is a, alam ko na to. Okay, so this tree is product from COSRX. So, meron silang pinadala sa aking tatlo. This is a COSRX Advanced Snail Glass Glow Hydrogel Mask. Yon, Snail Secretion Filtrate plus Collagen Glow Skin Hydrating and Soothing Firming. So, this is a 34 gram. E-check natin. Feeling ko madami yung laman niya. And meron din silang pinadala na Advanced Nail Power Essence. So, isa-search ko pa kung ano yung mga gamit nito. But, alam nyo ba, mga Korean products, guys, they are all really, really good pagdating sa skin. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga skin ng mga Korean, 'di ba? So, it is really good. And this one naman is all-in-one cream. So, pag sinabing, ayan, English naman yung description niya. Itong all-in-one cream, apply a proper amount evenly avoiding the eye area. So, meron siyang snail secretion. This cream helps to achieve a visible, radiant, and healthy-looking skin. So, para siyang moisturizer. And this one, I think this is like a serum or a toner. Being 96% snail secretion filtrate, this essence helps the skin to lose less moist while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. So, after cleansing and toning, apply a small amount on your entire face. Gently pat using fingertips to aid absorption and then go forth with your moisturizer. So, pagtapos mo nito, mag-toner ka and then then moisturizer. So, yeah. I-open natin to guys. Buksan natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang nice lang ng lagayan niya. To know na galing to ng Korea, guys. Tapos DHL pa yung nag-deliver. So, sobrang pricey talaga ng ano na to. Ano tawag na yung delivery pa lang. From Korea to UAE. So, feeling ko 2 weeks ko na tong inaantay. 2 to 3 weeks, ganyan. Minsan kasi nagkakaroon ng delay pagdating sa ano. I-open natin. Ay, oo, madami nga siya. More than 3 siya. So, yan. Meron silang cement. At makapal siya, guys. Talagang makapal siya. 3 yung sinend niya, 3 pieces. Yung laman nito. So, kaya siya 34 gram kasi mabigat talaga siya. Okay, yan yung galing kay COS RX. Hindi ko rin sure kung COS RX yung tawag dyan. And the next one is galing kay Seoul. Ayan. Seoul? Seoul? Ganyan. 1988. So, pinadalhan nila tayo. Yung brand na to ay K-Secret. Tapos, yung pangalan nung is Seoul. Ito yung Seoul, diba? Seoul sa country nila. So, pinadala nila sa atin yung buong set. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Meron silang pinadala na Advanced Shot Retinal Liposome Black Rice. So, this is for skincare routine for night. Meron din silang last step daw yan. Meron din silang pinadalang how to use apply a small amount on your finger and lightly tap the cream around the eye area. So, ito yung pang eye area nila to, guys. This fermented bean. Ayan. Ito naman is black ginseng. Binabasa ko yung how to use. Ingredients. Ba't wala to? Serum siya, guys, na pang wrinkle for smoother and firmer skin. Okay, then this one, after cleansing and toning, take an appropriate amount, apply gently onto the face and spread evenly. So, ito ay serum din. And this one is just like a moisturizer, I think. Niacinamide 5% capsule cream oil, diba? At the last step of skincare, apply an appropriate amount on the entire face, spread evenly and gently massage for absorption. Formulated with 5%, improve skin complexion while deeply hydrating the skin. And yan, so nagpadala sila ng 2, 5, and 6. 6 pieces of their products, guys. And this last is, after cleansing, prep skin with toner. Open 1 capsule and mix with ampoule you like. Blend until capsule fully dissolve in... so capsule to. Tapos, i-blend mo siya sa serum or moisturizer. Okay, wait. Dissolve into serum. Apply evenly to skin and gently pat for full absorption. Follow with your usual skincare routine. For areas require intensive care, reapply and allow for throughout absorption. Ayan siya. Capsule siya, guys. So, yung bawat capsule niya, ayan, day 1 up to day 7 siya. Ayan. So, ihahalo siya sa serum or moisturizer. Ayan, ng mga product din nila. So, they are so generous, guys, kasi nag-send sila ng maraming products sa atin. And this is all skincare products. And yeah, thank you, K-Secret. This is from K-Secret, guys. It's a #1 brand in Korea. And of course, this COS RX brand din yan sa Korea, guys. And lahat to na sinend nila is galing ng Korea pa. Tapos, pinashift lang nila dito. So, yeah. Thank you so much for sending me this. And meron din pala akong mga Celamax product, guys. Ito, kakagamit ko lang to ngayon. Nag-sunscreen ako. And nakaka-brighten siya ng face. Sunscreen pa lang yung ginamit ko. Hindi ako nag-toner, nag-moisturizer, and everything. Just this sunscreen, guys. Sample lang to. So, this is for dark spot also. Kung may mga dark spot, brightening care sunscreen. This is really good. This is from Celamax and also a brand from Korea. So, napakaganda talaga, guys, sa mga product ng yung mga Korean brand. And, yeah, it's really nice and really good. So, that's it. Yun lang. Yun lang yung ating unboxing for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Hope you like it. And if you like, don't forget to give me a like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye, everyone! Mwah!